Hello guys, in this video we have to discuss practically how to implement logical operator using the conditional constructive else. Okay, so let's see step by step how to complete this, the logical operator and or not. So very simple example, we have to open the Raptors object. First of all, you have to take an input box here, drop on the flow line, you have to save it here basically. Suppose I given here logical, okay, and right click, edit. Suppose I give it enter your user name. So I given the variable also like a user name. You can take email also. You can take an email also. Again, I take input box. Enter your password. Again, I took the variable password here. Okay. Click done. Click outside. I will take a condition box here and I simple drop it. Right click edit and simple I will use here. If name equal to is a comparison operator. Suppose I given dks and password. So you have to use AND operator, logical and password equals to like dks1. Click done, click outside. I will take output box here, drop on the S condition. Make sure click properly. Right click edit. You can log in. Click done, click outside. And in no condition, if your condition not matching, so sorry you can't log in. Sorry you can't log in. Okay, so this is where you can check a condition like for any kinds of specific condition. Suppose you make for net banking, if a customer ID this, password this, so you can withdraw money, you cannot withdraw money, right? So this is where you can complete it. Let's run this. So here I given username DKS and password I given here DKS1. So you can say you can log in. Suppose I given the wrong password, DKS, password I given something else. So you can see, sorry, can't log in because user details not matching basically. So this is where you can check. Okay, so I hope you like it.